Hey everyone, how's it going? So I've had a lot of fun creating some of these new level 40 dinosaurs from the new Jurassic World Rebirth movie. So in today's video I have another dinosaur and I'll be showing you how to draw a level 40 Titanosaurus. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our level 40 Titanosaurus, let's begin with the eye. So we're going to start right up here and we're just going to begin by making a little circle for the eye. Then we're going to make a little line that's above it and a little line below it. We're going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of curve up and down. Then we're going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve down, and we're going to bring this back up to here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down to here for like an open mouth, and we'll kind of curve it back a little bit. Let's draw a little curve in there. And then we'll make some small little bumps for some teeth right across the bottom and the top. Next, I'm going to bring this line down, and we're going to kind of curve it around and up. And then we'll make a couple little lines right here. I'll make a little dot here, and then a little broken line here. Next, I'm going to bring this line kind of back, and we're going to bring it over and then down to here. We're going to add a couple more little wrinkle lines. Now I'm going to bring this line down, and we're going to kind of curve this back to about here. Now for the back, I'm going to kind of bring this line up, and then I'm going to bring this down. Then for the tail, I'm going to kind of loop it around, and we're going to bring it right up to here. We're going to keep it really, really skinny, and then as we get it farther and closer towards the body, we're going to make it get bigger and then bigger for that long kind of whip-like tail. Next, I'm going to bring this line in. I'm going to bring a line that's going to kind of come down to here. I'm going to curve this line down and kind of make a claw right there. I'll make a line that's going to kind of come down and over, and then down and over, and we'll kind of curl it up. A couple little wrinkle lines. I'm going to bring this line over and then kind of up to here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down to here. Make this line kind of come over for a toe. Another one here and another one here. Now I'm going to make that big claw right here. Now we're going to bring this line up. Next, I'm going to make a little line here. Now I'm going to make a line that's going to kind of come down and then back to here. Make some little wrinkle lines, and then we'll kind of come down with a toe and make a couple more little toes right here. Bring this line up and in, and then we'll kind of curl it up here. Then right over here, we're going to make another line, so it's going to kind of come down at an angle. We'll put 1 and 2 toes here, and then we're just going to kind of bring this back up. Now, let's add a couple little curved lines on these big claws. And then we'll make some small little toes on here, and we'll put some extra little lines kind of right above them. We'll do the same on all these. Just kind of make these extra little lines above them just to kind of show like some wrinkles. Now, I want to start adding some like cool details on here. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to add a few long kind of skinny spikes like this. We're going to make some kind of long spikes, make them nice and big, then we're going to get them a little bit smaller as they kind of come back down. We'll make them even smaller. Then we're just going to kind of connect them with these curved lines. And we'll just do that right in between each one. Now I'm going to add some more spikes back here. So I'm going to kind of start off a little bit smaller. And I'm going to make some spikes get really big along the back. And then I'm going to have them start to get kind of smaller again. Just so it kind of looks like our level 40 Titanosaurus has these kind of like big sails on the back. And then we'll kind of connect it with these cool lines here. So we'll just kind of go down and up to connect each one. And then put one right there. And I feel like he's going to need a small one right here too. Then at the end of the tail, I want to add some of those details too. So I'm going to add some of these kind of like long spikes. I'm going to do this on this side and on this side too. Kind of make them big then small. And then we'll kind of put that little curved line in between each one, just for that kind of fun detail. Now, one of the next things we want to do is let's add some kind of like the fun detail inside of here. So I'm going to make like some broken lines kind of right around the mouth. I'm going to add some kind of extra curved lines on here. We're going to make some long kind of broken lines here. And then some extra little curved lines here. We'll also kind of do this right around the legs here. I'm going to add a couple little wrinkle lines here. And then a couple little kind of wrinkle lines where like the knees would be or like the elbows. Make a few lines here too. Let's add some long kind of broken lines coming down the tail. Then I think I'm going to put another little line or two kind of coming down the neck. You can make some like these little kind of long broken lines that just kind of come right across. Some more details on the back of our Titanosaurus. And I like to even add some of these little kind of broken lines going down the tail. Just kind of give it a little bit more of that rounded effect. Put some more kind of little details along the head. And then even some little details right along the legs. And there you go, there is your drawing of a level 40 Titanosaurus. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.